Hi, my name is Ziyanda Msimanga and I am the brand owner of Nova X. We reside in Witbank. We do personal delivery. What motivated me to start the business was when one night, it's a personal story. My grandpa passed away like last year, so I realized that I'm the only person that can help me, you know. You need to push and all of that. So that I realized that I have to work hard, achieve what I want to do in order to be successful. This is what I need to do for me and him. For products, we offer t-shirts that are branded by one of our manufacturers. Our t-shirts are 100% cotton and are easy to wear, and okay, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Can I start over? The t-shirts that we are selling are branded by Nova X. Our t-shirts are 100% cotton. We are developing a branding system soon, so that is what we'll be doing. Yeah, I think people should buy my brand because what people say about you shouldn't alter what you should and should not do. I think that it represents you as an individuality and how you should work, and it reminds people that they are themselves and they shouldn't let what other people say about them make them feel any type of way. You can get in touch with us on Instagram at Everglow Boutique and Facebook also, the same handle. And then our number is 064-910-2677, and you can text us and we'll reply as soon as possible. Hi, I'm Ziyanda Msimanga and I am a Township Entrepreneur.